Hello students. So today we will be moving ahead with the fourth element in the promotion mix, that is publicity. In my previous video I had explained the commonly used sales promotion techniques or activities. I trust that it is pretty clear to you all, because although these are say different in nature, say rebate, discount, refunds till the contest, but still if you do not understand them it would be difficult to identify them, and also it would be difficult to recollect the names of the schemes. For example, usable benefit, you might identify that this is this kind of say scheme that is mentioned in the case, wherein a voucher is given with the actual purchase, but you would be forgetting the title, that is usable benefit. You would identify that this is one of the schemes, but if the schemes are not clear, then you might get confused even with the names of the schemes. So I request all of you to go through that video again. If you have seen it once only, go through it twice or thrice, so that all the schemes are pretty clear. And that is the one of the reasons I am sending you videos nowadays, so that you can see it at your convenient time, and also you can repeat as many times as you want. Next is publicity. Although it is removed from the syllabus, we do not trust the paper setters or CBSE so much, because it might be in your examination in form of MCQs as well. So publicity is nothing but say it's a spreading positive information about the product or service of a company, but which is generally not done by the firm itself, by the company itself, but it is done by unidentified sponsors, which is usually media. So this meaning says that the publicity is a non-personal and non-paid form of communication. It generally takes place when favorable news is spread. Now, what is the meaning of favorable news or favorable information that is presented by media to the mass? Say, corona vaccine is developed by Pfizer, or if somebody is adopting a village, somebody is constructing the school for community, somebody is donating the property for charity purpose, right? Somebody is raising the funds on social media for giving it to some cancer patients. These activities are usually done frequently by the companies, but these activities are positive in nature. It helps the society in one or the other way. So here a company may not publicize itself, may not market itself about the activities done by it, but media will do it. Media will come and interview whoever is the authority, whoever is the in charge, or may take some information from company and publish it into the newspapers or magazines. So that is known as here publicity. Since it is not given by the firm intentionally, it is non-personal and non-paid. Non-personal means whoever reads the publicity would come to know about it. It's not a face-to-face communication like personal selling, right? Please make sure that you understand the meaning of non-personal very well, and do not deviate from the actual meaning. Non-personal or personal marketing here means one-to-one communication, wherein you as a marketer are in position to observe the other party and change your communication style to suit that party's moods or behaviors or reactions. While non-personal form means you keep on speaking no matter whoever is hearing you or not hearing you. Like say hoarding, right, in a crowded place, hoarding hang at the crowded place, or print media advertise, say you are giving advertise in the newspaper, or you are giving a short tele-commercial advertisement in the television. All these are non-personal form, because we do not know who is going to see it, or whether our advertisement is really going to be observed. So that is non-personal form. While personal form is very direct, personal selling, wherein you know who to whom are you talking, right? And by observing the reactions of that person, you can change your communication or your convincing style. So publicity falls under the category of non-personal form of communication, and also it is non-paid, because since you are doing something good, media would cover you automatically. Say a blood donation camp organized by your firm, right? So you may give it into the newspaper, this event, but unless otherwise assume that somebody from media comes and covers this event into a leading daily newspaper, it becomes a publicity. So it is a non-paid. You are not paying that newspaper for covering this event, but since it is a good news, it is a positive information, media would cover it itself, right? The features are, it is unpaid form and no identified sponsor. Identified sponsor here means if you know who is giving the advertisement, say your marketing manager is giving the advertisement, then it is identified sponsor. But publicity is the newspaper itself covers the event or covers uh, uh, the whole of the program that has taken place at your premises, so that sponsor is unidentified, that is that media group. If you want to still identify it, it is that media or newspaper group, otherwise there is no person who is directly involved in this advertisement or publicity. This message goes in form of a news, so it can reach even to those who otherwise may not be paying attention to paid advertisements. It's a very good thing that if somebody is doing good for the society, normally that firm might not get noticed in the society, in the general public's eyes, but if it does something good, people would not forget it. Right? So during the times of earthquakes, which had taken a heavy toll on people's lives in the Kutch in the year of 2000, then the firms which were not normally in the limelight or which never wanted to be actually came into the limelight because of their charity and donations. Right? So normally if the people no they if even the company is not putting in any extra effort to be known in the public's eye, they may become famous all of a sudden if it does these kinds of activities. However, the media would cover only those pieces of information which are newsworthy, of course. So each and every activity of yours might not get noticed, and it's not may symbolize some achievement. So firms can't use publicity to actively promote its product. Although this is a good way of communication, but you may not rely on it completely, since it may not cover all the advertisements or all the activities of yours. Publicity would only cover which has some positivity and some good for the society. So this is publicity. In my next video, we will be starting with the addition to the syllabus, that is the topic of public relations. In public relations, we would study meaning, role and objectives and tools used. So please wait for the next video. I will be explaining about public relations in depth.